Welcome to Creative Rituals for No One. I'm Marieke Blokland from Studio Bloknote, and you are watching Creative Rituals for No One. I created this series because not everything you create needs an audience. I love to create art and show this, but not everything I create is necessarily art with a capital A. So in this series, I hope to inspire you to add more day-to-day creativity to your life purely for yourself. In this episode, I show you how I create a vision board for 2026 Studio Bloknote style. A vision board is usually described as a collage of images that represent your goals or dreams for the future, things you want to achieve, things you want to have. That's not how I use it. We live in a world that constantly pushes us towards more ambition, more possessions, more success, more money. The word manifesting gets thrown around a lot these days, and for me it often feels off, disconnected from reality. This creative ritual is not about becoming bigger, better, richer, or more impressive. You won't see images here of luxury holidays, dream houses, and expensive cars. That's not the point. My version of a vision board is something else. This is a small creative ritual purely for yourself, a moment to get clear about what actually matters to you right now. It asks for honesty towards yourself. I've been making these vision boards for years now, and not to design a better future, but to get more honest about the present. For this ritual, you need a pair of scissors, a stack of old magazines that are okay to cut into, and some glue. I am using gel medium and a flat brush to glue my collage because later I want to add a few pencil details, but that's optional. Regular craft glue or all-purpose glue works just as well. A small but important note: this is not about making a beautiful collage. It's also not a mood board for redecorating your living room. This is a ritual about clarity, about sensing what feels essential in your life right now. Think of it as a snapshot of the present moment. After watching this video, I invite you to make a little space for yourself. Settle into a comfortable chair. Put on a playlist with music that feels good to you, light a candle, pour yourself a drink, and then start flipping through the magazines, slowly, consciously, and with an open heart. You're not looking for pretty images. You are only looking for images that say yes to you. And you can be selective here, but not overly critical. Don't try to analyze why you are drawn to something. It might be a color, a shape, a texture, a word, or an atmosphere. Some people will mainly cut out images, and others might be drawn towards words or short phrases. I usually end up with a mix of both. Keep cutting until you have a small stack. You can work on a large sheet of paper or in your art journal. I personally like to make these collages in my planner, the book I open almost every day to organize my life, or at least an attempt to organize my life. I often place the larger images first and then layer smaller images and words on top. It helps to first move things around without gluing right away. A small tip: once you're happy with the layout, take a quick photo of your page. That can help you later when you start gluing everything down. Once everything is glued down, I apply a thin layer of transparent gesso and allow that to dry. After that, I add a few details with colored pencils. But that's all optional. And this is how my vision board for 2026 came together. I hope you enjoyed this creative ritual. If you decide to try this yourself, I'd love to hear about it. And if you'd like to support this channel, a thumbs up would really help. and you're very welcome to subscribe. Ciao!
Boom.